I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute from Monday, September 22nd. Soybeans and corn both closed lower, pressured by the same trio of factors during the session. Soybeans and corn are watching U.S. harvest activity, planning conditions in South America, and also reacting to Argentina's government suspending its export tariffs through the end of October. That will more than likely mean at least some increase in export competition for the United States. Argentina is a leading exporter of soybeans and corn, and usually, most years, is the world's top exporter of soybean products. Wheat ended the session lower as well, pressured by planting activity in the eastern Midwest and the southern U.S. plains for U.S. winter wheat. Meanwhile, Minneapolis was down, even with harvest basically over for the season. The big bearish factor for wheat continues to be the growing global supply, with the wheat traders also watching development conditions in Argentina and Australia. Live and feeder cattle were sharply higher, supported by supply issues. USDA's cattle on feed numbers last week did confirm what a lot of the trade was expecting, that placements were sharply below a year ago. Marketings were down in August, and the total number of U.S. cattle on feed was below a year ago. But the bigger news over the weekend is that the USDA reported the discovery of New World screwworm just 70 miles south of the U.S. border with Mexico. That will continue to lead, more than likely, to the further suspension of Mexican feeder cattle imports here in the States. Box beef was up at midday as well. And hogs closed modestly higher, supported by the higher midday move in pork, their discount to the cash index, and that strength in cattle. With the closing market minute from Monday, September 22nd, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.